why, here's the question, why AI will not be able to replace LiveGood. But first, have you heard what Walmart is announcing or has announced? It's going to be getting rid of its checkout lanes. Walmart is getting rid of its checkout lanes? Like, why are they doing that? They're doing it because people, customers, want to have the personal touch by the sales agents or the people in Walmart. Yes, they will. They are. We want personal connection. We want to be able to talk to somebody, not just somebody we got to go looking for. Yeah, people say Walmart, they're changing it because of theft. Well, there's theft too with the automatic checkouts, but it's really because people want that connection with others. AI is good. There's no doubts about that. I use AI all the time on that chat GTP. I do all the time. But it will never be able to replace people. We want that personal connection. And one thing that LiveGood offers is personal connection with each other. I have been involved in network marketing teams before, or home-based businesses, or MLMs, whatever you want to call them. I have been involved before, but I have never been involved in a company like LiveGood, where the people actually do care for each other. We work as a team. We really want to help each other succeed. Matter of fact, the whole philosophy of LiveGood is that I don't succeed unless my team succeeds. That is the truth about it. I cannot succeed without my team succeeding. And I love that about LiveGood. It's not just the certain people at the top. It's everybody on the team working together for everyone to succeed. That's the beauty of LiveGood. Yes, AI is good, as I said, but we need that personal touch. And that's why with LiveGood offers, it's the teams in LiveGood that offers the personal touch. The people that help us get better at what we do. You got a problem? Speak to somebody in LiveGood. They'll help you on your team. Not even on your team. I'm working with my own team, but also with another team from all around the world, because they believe in that concept of helping other people regardless of the teams they're on. I was involved in other network marketing companies where, well, if you weren't on that particular team, then you were not invited to take any part with that team. No, not with LiveGood. LiveGood really, really wants to help everybody on their team and on other teams. And why would you not want to be with LiveGood anyways? No overpriced products any longer. No automatic auto ships. What a phony thing that is. An auto ship is so you could make sure you get a commission. But how many people do you know on auto ship that actually get enough money to pay for the products that they're buying? No wonder they have shelf loads of products, because they're not able to use them, and they're too expensive to sell them. People are too embarrassed to try to say, buy this for $100 when you get it at LiveGood for $25. Yes, we have the highest quality products. We have an analysis of certificate analysis. So you want to know what's in our products? We don't hide them. Let us know. We'll let you know what's in our products. That's why LiveGood has 1.6 million members and over 15 to 20,000 still joining every week because of the teamwork within LiveGood. So why don't you click on the link, take a tour, then sign up. And when you sign up, I'll be welcoming you to our team, and we'll be able to build a business together to help you achieve your goal in LiveGood, whether it's financial or whatever it's health, whatever it is. I will be able to help you with our team achieve your ultimate goal for becoming a LiveGood member. Go ahead, click on the link, hit like, and also subscribe.